From the lush rainforest to the depths of the ocean, our planet teems with life in all its weird and wonderful forms. But some creatures, well, they've taken a slightly more unconventional approach to evolution. Join me, dear viewer, as we embark on a journey to meet nature's oddballs, those curious creatures that make us question if Mother Nature has a sense of humor after all. Our first encounter is with a creature of the deep, a denizen of the abyss that looks like it lost a staring contest with a bowl of jelly. This peculiar being is none other than the blobfish, a creature that has captured the imagination of many due to its unique and somewhat comical appearance. Yes, it's the blobfish, the undisputed champion of looking miserable. With its droopy features and gelatinous form, it has become an internet sensation, often dubbed the world's ugliest animal. Living at depths where pressure is immense, the blobfish has evolved this rather, shall we say, relaxed physique. Its body is primarily composed of a gelatinous substance, which is less dense than water, allowing it to withstand the crushing pressures of the deep sea. Its gelatinous body allows it to float effortlessly above the seabed, conserving energy as it waits for unsuspecting prey to stumble by. This passive approach to hunting is quite effective in the dark, cold depths where it resides. One might say it's a master of low-effort living. The blobfish doesn't need to chase its food. Instead, it relies on the ocean currents to bring its meals directly to it. But don't let its grumpy demeanor fool you. This deep-sea dweller plays a vital role in its ecosystem. It helps maintain the balance by preying on smaller creatures and serving as a food source for larger predators. So, next time you're feeling down, just remember the blobfish and know that even looking like a grumpy blob can have its advantages. Its unique adaptations are a testament to the incredible diversity of life in our oceans, reminding us that every creature, no matter how odd, has its place in the world. Now from the depths, we travel to the vibrant waterways of Mexico, a land rich with diverse ecosystems and unique creatures. Here we meet a creature that seems to have stepped out of a comic book, a true wonder of nature. The axolotl, with its feathery gills and perpetual grin, possesses an almost mythical ability. It can regenerate limbs. This fascinating amphibian, often referred to as the Mexican walking fish, is actually a type of salamander. Lose a leg, no problem. It simply grows a new one. This process is not just limited to limbs. The axolotl can regenerate its tail, spinal cord, heart, and even parts of its brain. Tail looking a bit tattered? No worries, it'll be good as new in no time. The speed and efficiency of this regeneration are truly astounding, making the axolotl a subject of fascination for scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. This incredible ability makes the axolotl not only a marvel of nature, but a subject of intense scientific study. Researchers are delving into the genetic and molecular mechanisms behind this regeneration, hoping to unlock secrets that could benefit human medicine. Imagine harnessing the secrets of the axolotl's regenerative powers. It could revolutionize medicine. From healing severe injuries to potentially regrowing damaged organs, the implications are vast and groundbreaking. So while the axolotl might not be donning a cape and tights, it's a true superhero in the animal kingdom. Its extraordinary abilities remind us of the wonders of nature and the potential for scientific advancements inspired by these incredible creatures. Venturing into the rainforests of Madagascar, we encounter a creature that's a bit of a nocturnal enigma. The a lemur with a face only a mother could love, possesses a rather unique appendage, an exceptionally long and slender middle finger. This remarkable digit is not for flipping anyone off, though. Oh no, the uses its special finger as a tool, tapping on trees to locate grubs and then extracting them with surgical precision. It's like having a built-in multi-tool, perfect for a midnight snack in the rainforest. The reminds us that nature is full of surprises, and sometimes the strangest adaptations are the most ingenious. Our next stop takes us underground to meet a creature with a nose that's out of this world. The star-nosed mole, named for the fleshy, star-shaped appendage on its face, might not win any beauty contests, but it's a master of subterranean navigation. Those 22 pink tentacles that make up its nose are covered in thousands of sensory receptors, allowing it to see its surroundings in complete darkness. It's like having a super-sensitive metal detector for finding food. Imagine walking around with your hands constantly feeling for your next meal. That's the life of the star-nosed mole. It just goes to show that beauty is truly in the nose of the beholder. or at least in the sensory adaptations of the mole. Prepare to be enchanted as we journey to the grasslands of Argentina, home to a creature that seems to have sprung from the pages of a fairy tale. The pink fairy armadillo, the smallest of its kind, is a vision in pink with a pale shell and silky white fur. It's like a tiny, armored unicorn, burrowing through the earth instead of galloping through enchanted forests. Don't let its delicate appearance fool you, though. This little digger is surprisingly strong, using its powerful claws to excavate burrows and navigate its sandy domain. The pink fairy armadillo reminds us that magic can be found in the most unexpected places, even in the dusty plains of South America. Our next encounter takes us to the steamy, lush jungles of Borneo, a place teeming with life and mystery. Here we meet a primate with a rather prominent and peculiar feature that sets it apart from the rest. The proboscis monkey, with its enormous bulbous nose, looks like it took a wrong turn on the evolutionary road. This distinctive nose is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in the monkey's daily life. Scientists believe that the male's impressive noses serve as a resonating chamber, amplifying their calls to attract mates. The louder and more resonant the call, the more likely they are to catch the attention of a potential partner. It seems size does matter, at least in the world of proboscis monkeys. The larger the nose, the more dominant the male and the more attractive he appears to the females. Imagine trying to woo a partner with a nose that could rival a trumpet. It's a tough job, but someone's got to do it. The courtship rituals of these monkeys are as fascinating as they are unique, involving a series of vocalizations and displays. The proboscis monkey is a reminder that in the animal kingdom, sometimes it's all about standing out from the crowd, even if it means having a nose that's bigger than your face. This unique feature not only helps them in mating, but also in establishing their place within their social hierarchy. Living in groups, these monkeys navigate the dense foliage of Borneo, their noses leading the way. Their social structure is complex, with each member playing a vital role in the survival of the group. Interestingly, proboscis monkeys are also excellent swimmers, often crossing rivers in search of food. Their webbed feet make them adept at navigating the waterways, a skill that is essential in their swampy riverine habitat. Their diet mainly consists of leaves, seeds, and fruits, which they forage for tirelessly. The proboscis monkey's unique adaptations make it a true marvel of evolution, perfectly suited to its environment. From the jungles, we travel to the swamps of East Africa, where we encounter a bird that seems to have flown straight out of the dinosaur era. The shoebill, with its massive, clog-shaped beak and piercing yellow eyes, looks like it's permanently judging your life choices. This prehistoric predator is a master of stealth, standing motionless for hours on end, waiting to ambush its prey. When a fish gets too close, the shoebill strikes with lightning speed, its powerful beak clamping down with bone-crushing force. It's not a bird you want to mess with. So next time you're feeling stressed, just remember the shoebill. At least you don't have to hunt fish with a beak that looks like a shoe. Prepare for cuteness overload as we dive into the abyssal depths to meet the Dumbo octopus, named for its resemblance to everyone's favorite flying elephant. This adorable cephalopod sports two ear-like fins that it flaps gracefully to propel itself through the water. It's like watching a slow-motion ballet in the deep sea, but don't let its charming appearance fool you. The Dumbo octopus is a skilled predator, using its webbed arms to trap prey and its sharp beak to deliver the final blow. It's a reminder that even in the darkest corners of the ocean, there's always room for a little bit of whimsy. Our penultimate encounter takes us to the icy waters of the Arctic, where we meet a creature that's as elusive as it is unusual. The narwhal, often called the unicorn of the sea, is a whale with a long spiraled tusk protruding from its upper jaw. This impressive appendage, which can grow up to 10 feet long, is actually a tooth, and its purpose remains somewhat of a mystery. Some scientists believe it's used for attracting mates, others for hunting. Whatever its function, the narwhal's tusk adds an air of mystique to this already extraordinary creature. It's like a mythical beast come to life, reminding us that the ocean is full of wonders yet to be discovered. Our final stop takes us to the microscopic world, where we meet a creature that's small in size but mighty in resilience. The tardigrade, also known as the water bear or moss piglet, is a microscopic animal that can survive just about anything. Extreme temperatures? No problem. Radiation? Bring it on. The vacuum of space? Piece of cake. This tiny creature is the ultimate survivor, capable of entering a state of suspended animation where it can withstand conditions that would kill most other life forms. It's like the Chuck Norris of the microscopic world. The tardigrade teaches us that even the smallest creatures can possess incredible strength and resilience. So there you have it, a glimpse into the weird and wonderful world of nature's oddballs. These creatures, with their unusual adaptations and quirky appearances, remind us that our planet is full of surprises. From the depths of the ocean to the treetops of the rainforest, life finds a way to thrive, even if it means looking a little different from the norm. Until next time, keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep embracing the weird and wonderful diversity of our natural world.